All right, family, welcome to my Hawaiian Luau Tablescape. I'm gonna give you a quick overview of my whole table before I go in detail and tell you about the table itself. All right, let's start with this first plate setting here. I have a clear plate. I also put some small pebbles and gems in the center for decorations. I'm using my clear fluorescent silverware, a beautiful blue champagne glass. This particular champagne glass, I chose blue because it reminds me of water. So my champagne glass is my water. It gives me that water feel. And I also did the same for this second table setting too. I have shells on the corners of each place mat. The placemat is basically a table skirt that I cut into pieces. Then I also took the same table skirt and used it as a runner in the center of my table. So that's what all you are seeing right now. Right here is my cute little magnetic pails, which were DIY'd by yours truly. I have my glam cubes right there. That's also a DIY of mine. And my circle bling tray, which is also a DIY of mine also. And in this beautiful glass pitcher, I have lemonade. Looks so good as my beverage. As you know, when you go to Hawaii or any type of tropical place, you got to have some lemonade. So right here, this is my lantern tower. Right there. This is my lantern tower that I made. Pretty much it's one of your Dollar Tree lanterns. And I have a clear base underneath it that I decorated with the same table skirt. You cannot see it, but this particular lanterns are lit. I have batteries in them. Okay. All right, I'll be back in just a second. I'm going to dim the light so you can take a look at my lanterns. All right, this is what my lantern looks like, all lit up. I dimmed the light so you all can see how pretty it is. It has pineapples on it, and I have one on each end of the table. It's really good. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching my channel and watching this beautiful tablescape. Thank you so much to our host, Miss Kales of If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Also her two fabulous co-hosts, Miss Candy from DIY Designs by CCW, and Miss Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Thank y'all so much for extending this open invite to all of us to create these beautiful Hawaiian tables. And thank you for watching and taking time out of your day to view my table. Make sure you check out the playlist so you can see all the other wonderful creators that have created Hawaiian Luau tables. And always remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you will always know when I upload a new video. So, this is it, you guys. And y'all have a great day.